Are you tired of all of those trimmigrants coming from all around the world to your farm, eating all your munchies, smoking up all your smalls? What's going on, everybody? Master Bong here, and I'm calling all my farmers. Do you know why? Harvest season is just around the corner, and all that strain on your back, all those hours of trimming, I'm here to help you virtually eliminate them all. The limited edition camo trim bag is here to save your day. You're ready to trim 100% faster. I know you can do 2, 3, maybe even 4 times the amount of pounds per day that you're trimming right now. So, if you're looking to have less people on your farm, on location with you, Trimbag, we're here for you. We got you.